coffee. Welcome back to Sit a Spell. My wife has kindly reminded me, not once, but twice now, that we have a sink drain issue in the bathroom. It's slow draining. So if you're not a DIYer, do-it-yourselfer, it's not that big a deal. I'll show you step by step, easy, do it yourself. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. And don't call the plumber for something like this. Very simple, easy fix. So I'll take you along, make my wife happy, make me happy, and we'll get her done. Stand by. Alright, here we are in the bathroom. Let's see what the issue is. Slow to drain. My guess is going to be hair. We'll find out. Okay, here's a list of tools you're going to need. A bucket and your hand. So we're going to set the bucket off to the side here for a second. Open up the cabinet. And you're looking at a trap. This here is the trap. This will collect solids, hair, wedding ring, things of that nature. So what we need to do is to loosen this coupler and this coupler. It'll fall down. The issue should be in here, possibly in here. First thing you're going to want to do is place a bucket underneath. This will hold water. So we're going to loosen this. There you go. And we're going to loosen this. You can see the water already starting to come out. Alright, that's loose. Ooh. My suspicions were correct. Hair. That'll do it every time. Everybody loses hair. So we're going to clean the trap out, reattach it, and then run the water. Make sure there's nothing else up in here. You can use the old style metal coat hangers, a butter knife, anything like that to dig around in here and make sure there's nothing else that will be causing the water to drain slow. Stand by. Okay, upon further investigation, this had hair collected in it as well. If you look closely, there's threads. So that will actually go into the drain, and it just screws right in. Screw it down. No problem. Snug it up. I've removed the blockage. So now we can reattach our P-trap. So just do everything in reverse. Slide that up and tighten it down. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Nothing but the best video quality here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. All right. Nice and snug. Now let's turn the water on and give her a try. One thing to remember, leave the bucket under just in case these aren't snug enough when we turn on the water. Let's see if we solve the problem. Problem solved. No leaks. And here is the culprit. Thanks again for stopping in. And thanks for visiting my channel, Citispell. And that took me less than 5 minutes to fix that drain issue in the bathroom. My wife asked me twice, or mentioned it to me twice. Come on, fellas. Don't make her ask 3 times. But I hope that was a helpful video. A real simple thing to do. You don't have to call a plumber if you've never dealt with plumbing before, but that's how that works. I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe, or dislike. It's up to you. But I hope it was helpful for those of you that have never dealt with that issue before. Feel free to comment if you have any questions or any ideas for future videos. I have bunches of videos up here. So for home improvement and or home maintenance related. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Thank you. God bless.